guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey friends, how you doing? We do makeup tutorials over here. We have great times. We try to. If you'd like to be part of our family that we have going on here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and to like this video while you're down there, you know. So today we will be reviewing the Maybelline, let me just put it the right way. We will be reviewing the and I'm in the shade Chestnut, 64 Chestnut, and today we're gonna just review it, do first impressions on it, and see how we feel about it, because you know I've been hearing a lot about it on these, you know, YouTube / Twitter streets about it, so I thought I would try it out. I went to my local Discount, and they only had, like, I went like a few months prior to when I bought this, and they only had like caramel and then like white shades, and I was just like, those aren't my shades. So then I went again, I think like a week ago, and I found this, and I'm so excited. This is like the closest to my skin, to my shade. Let me stop rambling and let's just get into the review. Let's just first find out the claims of this foundation. So the claims, it says that the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation completely corrects visible flaws and imperfections, making it the perfect base for high impact makeup, relentless all day wear, lightweight high pigment coverage, and flawless transformation. And the skin types, it is suitable for all skin types. The finish is soft matte, the coverage is full, the end result transforms your skin, and the wear is all day up to 24 hours wear. So we are going to check out if they saying the truth or not, you know. Guys, it is cold in Johannesburg. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys are ready for winter, because I'm not. I know I'm really not. But anyways, so let's get started on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply half of my face with a kabuki brush, and then we will see how it applies. If it's better to do it to apply it with a kabuki brush or a Real Technique sponge or any kind of sponge. So I'm just going to use half of this face, I'm just gonna apply the foundation with my kabuki brush for half of my face, and then the other side I will use my Real Techniques sponge. So I'm just going to use one pump, and then we will see how it goes from there. So let me apply it. So I put one pump onto this little thing that I use, and I just dipped it in once, and this is the coverage that it gave me in comparison to this. So this is the side where I haven't applied, and then this is how it looks. It is pretty matte. Well, it is soft matte, and I'm still applying the full pump, sorry, to my face, because I'm just gonna put a pump on each side and see how it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply another pump to apply it onto this face with my beauty blender. Well, not my beauty blender, with my Real Technique sponge. So I'm just gonna dab it in. Okay, so this is only like some of it that I actually applied. I only apply bit by bit, onto the actual side. Okay, so on this side where I applied it with the Real Technique sponge, I feel like it looks more like in my skin, more pounced in. It looks like it's just my skin. On this side, it's a little bit more, I feel like it's not completely blended in. So that's why I like to usually just go back in with my Real Technique sponge. And either way, if you do it with any of the if you do it with the brush or the sponge, it's exactly the same. So when I do use a brush to buff it into my skin, I do go over it with a Real Technique sponge just to make sure that everything is pounced into my skin and it's flawless. So that's what I'm just gonna do on this side. So I'm just going to go off camera and finish off my makeup, and then I will be back with my final thoughts. So I just finished off my makeup off camera, and now I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this foundation. I really do like it. I really like it. I love how it actually covers up everything I needed to cover up. The shade range could do better. The shade range can definitely do better. And yeah, so if you find your shade, hopefully, please be sure, not please be sure, be sure to actually pick it up and give me your review. If you've tried it out, please give me a comment down below how you feel about it. I love the soft matte. I still need to find out if it's like transfer free or transfer resistant. What did it say? I can't even remember. But I just wanna, because you know when you have makeup on, like my makeup lovers will know this, when you hug someone, you can't hug them like how you normally do when you don't have makeup on. You have to do like a, you're like hugging them, but you don't want to be like rude to them, but you don't want to get makeup on their shirt. That's the kind of hug I be giving to people, you know. So that's what I be doing, but I'm not gonna go out and hug someone and see if it's transfer free. So I've tried it out, and I think this foundation deserves a 2 thumbs up. If I had another thumb, I would have added it. So I really do like it. I really like it. I love how it feels like I have nothing on my skin, and it's very lightweight, very lightweight. Even though it's like full coverage, it's very lightweight, which is amazing. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, I know you won't be my friend, girl or boy or person. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and love me. All my social medias will be down below, and comment down below if you have any suggestions on any foundations that I should try. And I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.